Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set price alert on eToro on mobile app. So let's jump straight into it. Now, first thing what you need to do, open up your app, then head over to the magnifying glass icon at the bottom, discover. So click on it. Now you can search for stocks, crypto, and so on. So I will just scroll down a little bit that we select something. So let's say Nvidia Corporation, click on that. And now here at the top right corner of your screen, you will see this bell icon next to the green star. If you see it, just like that, click on it. Now here you will basically adjust the price when eToro alerts you the price hit your target. So let's say current price is 280 and I can adjust price to if it drops for 1%. Set alert, and now I will be notified when this stock hits my alert price. So right here you can adjust your active alerts to get notified when an asset hits the target you set. So you can also set here, if you click on one of those um, buttons. So as you can see, it will notify me under 200 because minus 5%. So this is how alerts works on mobile app. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.